Hi, this is a screencast video of my project work of Azur ML nano degree, and in this project work we will be performing the following operation. Yeah, train the model using auto ML and also train using hyperdrive and compare the performance, get the best model and deploy and test it. Let's see the code. Okay, so here using AML, loading the data, and yeah, configuration of AutoML and submitting the experiment status using widget. Yeah, once it is done, we are getting an approximately 95% accuracy using this method. Okay, the status is completed and the best run we are getting. Okay, yeah, some more information about the model and the steps of the model. Okay, and then we are saving the model inside info directory. Also we are saving, yeah, uh, score and conda YAML environment information. Okay, yeah, so now we will be taking the best model and going to register it. So here is the registration completion status. Okay, with the name as object ID name. Okay, after registration it will be available and visible inside the models tab. Yeah, here is the one. Okay, now before proceeding to the next step, okay, let's see hyperdrive run information. Okay, configuration also we are giving here and train file which is available here. Okay, and in this we are training it. Okay, let's come to the hyperdrive script. Okay, and submitting, after submission we are getting the details. Okay, and in this case in case of hyperdrive we are getting a max accuracy of the best model as 89%, which is lesser compared to AML model accuracy. So for that reason we are just saving the model and we are stopping this. We are not going to deploy this hyperdrive model. Okay, and inside output folder we can see the model dot job stored over there. Yeah, so now let's go to the this side. Okay, so Azure container instance, inside we are, okay, we are deploying it, and after deployment you get a message succeeded and healthy. And once it is done we can see it, its availability here. Okay, and here if you see the status healthy, and we have generated a REST endpoint for testing as well. Okay, before that let's see the data set is here. Okay, and the experiment status also, let's see here, it's completed. Okay, also AutoML yeah, this is also completed. Okay, and the accuracy also available here. Fine. So once and then we are showcasing the logs. Okay, 1 minute. Here we have the REST endpoint, and then we are taking the REST endpoint link and we are testing the our container instance whether it is working or not. Okay, the testing data we have given, and this is the result. Okay, and some logs, and then clearing the data. Okay, yeah, thanks for information. And once the video is over, I will be deleting it, all the models and the services.